All right, this is Unit 1, Section 5 homework. Now I'm on the second page, so 11 through 18. All right, so let's get started with 11. So just like the first page, if you've done that one, hopefully you have, I'm trying to get x by itself, and so I have to move my number to the other side of this inequality sign. And only this time, I have a number with x. That's where I'll divide last, okay? So I don't want to divide first. I have to wait. So I'm still going to do the same thing as I did on the front. I'm going to go ahead and move my number. So because it's minus 21, it's now plus 21. Okay, I bring down my 2x and my symbol. So I have 2x less than 3 plus 21, 24. And so because x isn't by itself, I have 2x and they're together. So notice there's no space, no plus or minus in between. So if they're together, it's multiply or times. So to get rid of it, I have to do the opposite, which is divide. Okay? So now I have x. That symbol did not change. And then 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay, now my answer looks correct, just like on the front page. So I'm going to go ahead and put 12 somewhere on the number line. My symbol is not underlined, so it's an open circle. And then less than goes to the left. And that's my answer. Okay, 12. Similar thing, right? I have my x with a number, and I have another number. So I have to get rid of the number first, so I move the number over and then divide, okay? So because it's minus 12, it's now plus 12 on both sides. So I have 6 plus 12 is 18. Bring down my sign, bring down my 3x. And now to get rid of the 3, I divide. So this is just like solving equations. I just have a different symbol in the middle, that's all. So 18 divided by 3 is 6, less than or equal to x. And because x is on the right, if you need to, go ahead and pretend there's a mirror there and change it up. All right, so now x is on the left, so I can write my 6 somewhere on the number line. And my symbol right here is underlined, so I have closed circle. And because it's greater than, that goes to the right. And I'm done with that one. Okay, number 13. Same thing. I have x and a number. I have to get rid of this number first because there's no x, and then I can divide by 4. So minus 3 becomes plus 3. Bring down my 4x. Bring down my inequality. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then my last step, of course, is divide. So I have x, same symbol, greater than. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I have 2 somewhere on the line. My symbol, right, is not underlined, so it's an open circle. And greater than goes to the right. Well, it's a terrible arrow. That's okay. All right, 14. Same thing, right? I need to get rid of this number before I can divide by 5. So plus 8 becomes minus 8. So negative 2 minus 8 is negative 10. Bring down my inequality, bring down my 5x, and now I can divide. So I have negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Bring down my symbol, my x stays here. And because x is on the right, I can go ahead and flip it. Okay, so I have negative 2. And my symbol is underlined, so I have a closed circle. And less than goes left. And I'm done with that one. Ooh, was that out of focus? Maybe. Okay, well, number 15. There it goes. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, 15. Same thing. I want to get rid of my number, then I can divide by 6. Okay, so 11 becomes minus 11 because 11 is positive. So I want negative, right, or minus. I subtract both sides. So I bring down my 6x and my inequality. So 6x less than 23 minus 11 is 12. And my last step is divide. So I have x, bring down less than 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, so then I can write a 2 somewhere on there. My symbol, right, not underlined, open circle, and less than is to the left. See, the nice thing is you have like 50-50 chance of getting the right one. It's either open or close, and it's left to right. So you can't go up or down. Nothing else like that. All right, 16. Before I get rid of the 7, I have to get rid of the 1 because that's together. So 1 becomes minus 1 because it's 1's a positive. 22 minus 1 is 21. Bring down my symbol, bring down my 7x, and now I can divide by 7. Okay, so 21 divided by 7 is 3. And if you want to go ahead and pretend there's a mirror, rewrite it. If that helps you graph, do that every time. There's nothing wrong with that. So I have 3 somewhere on the graph. My symbol right here is underlined, so I have a closed circle, it's filled in. And greater than goes to the right, because left is less, greater is right. All right, already down to our last 2. So I got 17. Oh no. So 17, I have to get rid of the 6, so same thing as we've been doing. So minus 6, bring down the 8x, bring down the symbol, greater than. 14 minus 6 is 8. And then I divide. Okay, so I'm left with x, bring down my symbol, greater than. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So I have a 1, and if you want to write the 1 like that, that's fine. So I have 1. My symbol is not underlined, so open circle, and greater than goes to the right. Easy peasy. Hopefully these are getting easier the more you do them. I mean, that is the goal of all. That's why I do so many problems. So you might start off struggling, it might seem difficult, but as you get through these, and they progress and they do get harder. But by the end, hopefully it's easier. If not, you can always come into tutoring, you can do advisory. If you just want more practice, I can make some. It's really easy to do. Okay, so 18, last one on this page. I have minus 15 I have to get rid of, so it's plus 15 on both sides. So 12 plus 15 is 27. Bring down my inequality and my x. Okay. And last step, divide by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. My symbol did not change. And again, if x is on the right, I can go ahead and pretend there's a mirror, rewrite it, and then I know how to graph it. So my symbol is underlined, so I have a closed circle, and less than goes left. Okay, that is it for this video. There's the video for each page. So if you're done with this and you need the next one, go on to the next one.